Good morning students. I am Meenakshi Beri, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you large numbers. If you write number 1 to 9, 1 is the smallest number and 9 is the largest. We know that smallest 3-digit number is equal to 100 and largest 3-digit number is equal to 999. Smallest 4-digit number is equal to 1000 and largest 4-digit number is equal to 9999. Now we will learn how to write a number in expanded form. First of all, we'll write the given number in our notebook. Example 32681, write in expanded form. First of all, write 3. After it, 4 numbers are written, so we will write 40. Then put plus sign and write the next number, that is 2. After 2, 3 numbers are written, so we will write 30. Then again we'll put the plus sign, then we'll write 6. After 6, 2 numbers are written, that's why we'll write 20. Again we will put the plus sign, next number is 8. After 8, 1 number is written, that's why we'll write 10. Again we'll put plus sign and last number is 1. In the previous class, you have learned about the place value of the given numbers. First of all, we will write down the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Students, please repeat the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now we can divide place value into periods. Now we can divide place value into periods. According to Indian place value chart, we have ones period, thousand period, lakhs periods and crores period. According to Indian place value chart, we have ones period, thousand period, lakhs period and crores period. Ones period have 3 places, ones, tens, hundred. Ones period have 3 places, ones, tens, hundred. Thousand periods have 2 places, thousand and 10,000. Lakhs periods have 2 places, lakh, 10 lakh. Lakh periods have 2 places, lakh, 10 lakh. Crore period is also having 2 places, crore and 10 crore. Crore periods also have 2 places, crore, 10 crore. We can represent the periods with the help of commas. First comma after ones period, second comma after thousand periods, next comma after lakh period. You can understand this with the help of given example. The number is 5,67,875. You can separate the number with the help of comma. First comma after 3 numbers, next comma is after 2 numbers. Now we will learn how to write numbers in figures. First of all, we'll write the place value in a copy. Separate the periods with the help of commas, the first period from the right. First of all, write down the place value, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. First comma after 100 place, second comma after 10,000 place, third comma after 10 lakh place. The first period from the right has 3 digits, the rest have 2. The number in the periods give the number name. For understanding this place, see the example. 3,06,456 write in figures. First of all, write the place value according to periods. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. For no value at a place, write 0. 3 lakh, you write under lakh place. On 10 lakh place, no number is given, so we will write 0. After it, you write 6 under 1000 place. On 10,000 place, no number is given, that's why we will write 0. 4 we will write under 100 place and 56 under ones and tens place. Now we will discuss about the predecessors and the successor. Predecessor is the number that occur before that number. Example, 8 will be the predecessor for number 9. Successor. Successor is the number that will occur after the number. Example, 10 will be the successor for 9. Now, next topic is ascending and descending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. Descending order means arranging the number from largest to smallest. Now we learn rules for making the smallest and biggest numbers. For smallest number, write the digits in ascending order. If there are zeros, place them after the next smallest digit. For writing the largest number, write the digits in descending order. If there are zeros, place them in the last. To understand this, see the example. The number is 7895706. When you have to write down the smallest number, write all the numbers in ascending order and 0 will come after 5. While writing the greatest number, write all the numbers in descending order and 0 will come in the last. For understanding the given exercise, now I am explaining you few more examples. First of all, we will revise how to write numbers in figures. First of all, we will revise how to write numbers in figures. Example 1. 1,44,235 write in figures. First of all, write down the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh you have to write under lakh place. 44,000 you have to write under 1,000 and 10,000 place. And 230 you have to write under 100, tens and ones place. Next example is 64,006. For writing this, again we have to write down the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 64,000 you have to write under the 1,000 period. 6 is a single digit number, that's why it will come under 6. No number is given for 100 and tens place, that's why we will write 0 on 100 place and tens place. Next example is how to write down the number name. First of all, write down the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Over it write down the periods, ones period, thousand period, lakh period and crore period. Now according to the periods we can write down the number name. 2 crore, 86 lakh, 32,235. Next number is 794,683. Write down the periods over it, ones period, thousand period, lakhs periods and place value also. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now according to periods we can write down the number name. 7,94,683. Now we will learn how to compare numbers. For comparing the numbers, we have to compare their digits. To compare numbers, compare their digits left to right. If the digits at a place are equal, compare the digits next place on the right. Let us see the example. The first number is 49054 and the next number is 49045. Now we will compare the digits one by one. 4 is equal to 4, 9 is equal to 9, 0 is equal to 0, 5 is greater than 4. So 49054 is greater than 49045. Now students, revise the chapter and do the homework.